we're about to go to the beach. It's almost gonna be 3:10. I got out of work. She's waiting. She's making sandwiches right now. She's making, what is it? Turkey, right? Mm-hmm. Turkey sandwiches. We're going to the beach. We still have to go to the store and get chips and chips. We still have to go to the store and get chips and drinks. And then I think that's it, right? We have water. We're gonna be there. I don't know, kind of later in the day, but we're going to Malibu. We're going in Malibu to the beach. Oh my god. Oh my. We wanted to take the dogs. Well, not specifically this dog because he's just crying for food. Frank. Frank. Anyways, we wanted to take the dogs and then our sisters. Evelyn's gonna take her sister and then I'm gonna take my sister. And then I think we're gonna take Rupert. Like,
that's if they go.
If they want to go, though. If they want to go. Well, we're going to... I think my sister's probably going to want to. I know for sure her sister, because, like, her sister has no life. Oh, my, both of us. She has no life.
Damn.
That's sad. But, and then I think we're going to take we're going to take our son right here. We're going to take Rupert. Say hi. Say hi. No? You're camera shy? You don't want to say hi? No. But we're going to take him, too. I know they like him. But, yeah. So, right now, we're making sandwiches. I have to pick up my sister from school. I just got off work. And then we're going to go to the store. And then we're going to start our drive. And then you're going to see that, the drive. You see what we get from the store. And then you're going to see us at the beach. We made it to the beach. We have one sister and then another sister. You could tell who's related, and then you could tell who's related.
No, they kind of tell you the same as Ella.
And then we have the ocean. And then we have a hamster in her natural habitat. We're eating sandwiches, drinking this. We didn't vlog our chips, but we got 2 chips here, lemon and salt and vinegar. She got Takis.
Stop it!
But yeah.
If we get one murder over here, they're all gonna come.
We made it to the beach. I want to get on top of that.
Can you go through that one? I think so.
There's a little cave in it. I think we'll show you when we go through it. Right now we're just eating sandwiches. My sister's going in the water. It's freezing cold. Wait, what?
Hopefully the like I think it's only like if you dip in like.
Wait, what'd you say, man?
Hopefully the waves figure in. Or like you know how those sharks that come out on the shore? Hopefully they take one.
She's a savage to her sister.
I didn't see it, but now I see it. She doesn't look like a hamster.
Damn, did you hear my sister say it again?
I didn't see it, but now I see it. She looks like a hamster. No, she hasn't seen the picture on.
Oh my god, there's one right there. Ah! Being attacked by seagulls.
There's 4 behind us. No wonder people don't have food here.
Oh my god, they're all coming around us.
Why people don't have food here?
We're still eating.
I'm not down to be attacked
Down
by
there, you're
seagulls.
gonna gang up on us.
We're gonna die right now. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Rupert, face. That's Rupert, the one with the wings.
Damn.
Oh my, they're not doing anything. Am I
Damn.
supposed to change right here?
Me and Natalie screamed.
Wow, they're
Ready?
fighting. They're fighting.
Ready? I can do it. Oh, I did it. Ow.
I don't know what's happening here, but a hamster is breaking.
It's a teacup. I mean, that's a teasing.
I don't think this is big enough for Natalie.
ASMR.
Ashmere.
Ew, you got too close.
Ma'am, I need your help. Natalie's a big human being to dig for.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ow! She threw it at me. Honestly, it would have been easier with a big bucket to just go.
Am I with water? Yeah, you can still go get it.
You can still come with me and get it.
No.
You need a
go
workout.
You do too.
I mean, you first.
Look, let's face it. Both of us.
Damn,
You're about getting
they're
paid,
still doing
Uncle.
like change, like outfit changes and stuff.
I know, I saw it right now. I was like, wait, those are the same people?
I'm waiting on my hoe.
Good eating shit. No, she's gonna get dunked in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my god, like Ariel.
That was the point. I'm stuck.
What's his name? The queen of the king of Atlantis. Not Atlantis. Aquaman.
No.
Mine is on working.
Wow, that was such a moment.
How am I supposed to leave now?
He's talking. Look, they got buried. Ah! I said come on, don't hurt me. Ah! Jump right.
Oh, mis patas me duelen.
Are your ankles good?
Ooh.
Got my shorts.
Look, both of our sisters are doing some stuff. Her sister is like, just got submerged in the water.
She's like fighting friends.
She's fighting sand crabs, but they're having a good time. And then we're over here.
I need to pee.
We're over here and she has to use the banyo. She has to use the banyo. What? She has to she has to use the banyo, and then we're being adults, you know, watching. We have a child doing homework, another one doing sand crabs.
Ew.
And she's been getting sand crabs for
Oh, I
like
caught some.
5 minutes and she hasn't. Oh, she caught some. She's leaking. You're leaking water.
Really?
Yeah. You're freezing?
Yes. Look, mine. I caught crabs.
Sounded like she said crap.
She
See
caught,
them?
She caught crab.
Saw them?
Yeah. What's this? I probably sound like a little boy.
Yeah, I thought they could eat.
Wow, they're all bonding.
No, there was bigger ones where my feet were over there.
Yeah, find them.
Oh my god, look.
Can you take my phone out of my pocket?
Yeah.
You don't have to sit down.
They're going for more
Can I
sand
see my ass or
traps.
something?
Oh wait, we can use a stick. Wow,
Yeah,
you're
just
gonna be
demolish
scared.
my
You're the
town.
mother.
Yo soy el madre de los tres chicas. El grande,
That's nasty.
el
That's like
medium y el pequeño. Oh my god.
Wait, my water bottle.
This is just whatever footage we have. They look so cute though, they're all bonding. I'm so happy. We have my sister, my sweet cheeks, and her sister. Wow, they look the same. Wow. So adorable. Natalie just went all the way in the water. You can see on her shirt how high the water went in. All I see is a little kid looking like she's drowning. And then these ones, I don't know what they're doing. They're like playing around, still sand traps. I don't know what I'm witnessing. She's in like the darker, colder part. Oh, we can't even see the sunset, but it looks so beautiful, guys. No, take them both off that way. You're flanking.
Oh, there's another cave over there.
Yeah. Why you gotta flick sand like that? Ah.
We didn't forget anything?
If we did, oh well.
Mike, can you check my bag?
Big coffee?
Why? Just barely at the top.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, I'm not playing. Oh, my shoe!
It fell?
I'm going for it. I'm gonna leave shoeless.
Mine, okay, you have to hold on what I'm holding here. And at least give her the keys so your sister and her.
Be careful. I needed a break in. Anyways. You got it?
Yeah. Well, it's a rigorous activity.
Come on, you got this.
Ah!
Wow.
Better not lose your shoe again. I'm just glad. I just watched it roll down and I was like, please don't go all the way.
Yeah.
No.
What? Fuck, Charlie, drop it.
What was it?
Well, I was just trying to throw it away in the trash.
I mean, at least I'm getting a break. I'm so tired. Wow, your cheeks are red. Ah. Oh. You need to change? You need to change too?
I can't find my way back to you till you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Find your way back home.
With you in the middle.
You're gonna make the trunk open again.
No. The mouse shuffles?
Wow.
No, put the light on the hamsters. There's two of them.
Wow, they look insane.
There's a black one and a white one. Oh my god.
I'm gonna call the police on you. I'm gonna call the police.
It locked on me for a second.
Oh! Where's the beeping at? Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I thought it was a Pomeranian. Never mind.
I thought it was a chihuahua.
Oh my god.
What is it, a corgi? Corgi?
What?
Corgi?
Those weird shaggy mutts.
What's a shaggy mutt?
It's just a shaggy mutt.
I don't know what that is. Where's my...
It finished.
Oh, on my head. No puedo ser más.
No, not again.
Okay guys, so it's the next day. We forgot to film an outro for the video, but you guys saw everything. We enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys did too. If you did, let us know. Yeah, maybe we'll do another beach vlog or another vlog like this soon. It was a lot of fun though. But peace out.